Ooh. And then you're going to look at ICON for the reverse split. There's a lot of names. I mean, I'm looking at this upgappers list. ATOS has 6.8 million. SFET 1 million traded. AKTX at 5 million traded pre-market. UXIN almost 1.4. So I have HJLI up here. They're also holding the VWAP. ATOS just went through VWAP. So if this starts rejecting up, that 325 price is where I'm expecting HJLI to start making a run from. November Echo Oscar Sierra waking up here. SFET early volume. Huge risk off move. Holy cow. Wow, there's going to be some names on the move today, guys. Make sure you are studying and watching the scanner. 255 for NEOS is the pre-market high. Let's see if anything comes from it. SFET on the move. ATOS, potential name. AKTX is a name that's high on my list this morning. I want to see where they go. ATOS starting to show a little bit of buy volume here. ATOS has strong potential for a early buy. Alpha Delta X-Ray Sierra mover from yesterday. Keep a close eye on it. ATOS. Charlie Mike Romeo X-Ray CMRX. That just came out of nowhere. That's a big jump, guys and gals.